Jai Jagannath, Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Honorable Minister, Tourism and Culture, Government of India, Ms. Deya Kumari ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and my colleague, Minister of Rajasthan, Sri Suman Beri ji, Honorable Vice Chairperson, Niti Aayog, Sri Suman Billa ji, Additional Secretary and DG, Tourism, Government of India, Dr. Jyotsna Suri ji, past President of FICCI, CMD the Lalit Suri Hospitality Group, Dr. Senthil Gopinathan ji, CEO, International Congress and Convention Association, distinguished guests of the dais, dignitaries, partners, foreign tour operators, and destination management companies, media friends, the officials of tourism, Government of India, Government of Rajasthan, Government of Goa, and Government of Odisha, and officials of FICCI. I think it is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you and meet in India conclave. Meet in India initiative is more than just a tourism campaign, it is a strategic vision to position India as a MICE destination in global standards. Whether it is G20 meetings, international trade fairs, or corporate gatherings, our infrastructure is rising to meet global expectation and our cities are opening their arms to welcome the world. I am representing a state never-ending beauty that is called Odisha. In east of Odisha, you will find the capital of Bhubaneswar called the Temple City, as a MICE destination hosting Pravasi Bharatiya Divas on 2025. Prabhu Sri Jagannath in Puri, one of the four dhamas, Blue Flag Beach in Puri, which is the best one in India, the sand art replicating every events and every festivals, our artisan village, Patachitra life in Raghurajpur village, it is very nearer to Puri. UNESCO heritage, our Sun Temple at Konark, and famous Konark dance festival from November to December. Chandrabhaga Sea Beach and famous applique work in Puri, Chilika Lake with bird sanctuary, and in Nalban, where in 3 months, starting from November to January, you experience 15 lakhs global birds migration. Kalabhumi Handicraft Center, Katak filigree work, Maniaband nearer to Katak, Weaver's village, Bhitarkanika, the place of crocodiles, Port at Paradip and Dhamra, Shakti Pithas like Taratarani, Ma Bimla, and Ma Biraja, the longest Hirakud Dam, Satkoshia, Devrigad, Similpal, dense forest with fear of tigers is really encouraging. The Gopalpur beach, Mahendragiri, Deomali, hilltops attract tourists with Koraput coffee and tribal tourism experience. Ratha Jatra in monsoon, open theatre Dhanu Jatra in winter in western part, Bali Jatra that symbolize our past maritime history. Above that, our folks, Odissi dance, Shambalpuri song, Shambalpuri sari, and other handlooms and handicrafts of Odisha attract more to the world. The food tourism experience always amazing in Odisha. In any part of the Odisha you will visit, you will see different type of foods and different type of sweets. Famous in every district, one sweet. Peace-loving state Odisha. People is very simple and cooperative. Our plan is to develop Buddhist corridor, Shakti corridor, the Bird Museum, Tribal Museum, and developed new destination in sea beaches like Talsari, Vichitrapur, in Somali Island. Our state plan to invest in more to develop tourist place with tourist friendly amenities. Nature and wildlife, cultural and experimental tourism, tourism infrastructure and investment opportunity is now open for the all private partners globally. The best kept secret of India, what is in Odisha, is the time to explore. Friends, uh, events like Great Indian Travel Bazaar offer us a bridge to the global market. Odisha is ready to collaborate with the international tour operators, travel buyers. We offer authenticity, serenity, and unforgettable experiences. My invitation to all of you, come and feel the thrill of Odisha. Let us work together to bring the soulful beauty of Odisha to the world. Jai Parjatan, Bande Utkal Janani.